In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you another NFT project wherein you can penetrate and you can join right now, and you can earn up to 10% a day just by putting your BUSD into this platform, and it is called BUSD Farm. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with new videos for you guys for play to earn or any shit that we can earn money, make money online or stuff. So this is one of them. Okay, so again, this is BUSD Farm. The smart contract is verified, means they can't modify it. Okay, they can't modify it. This is not hackable as well, because of course the contracts are not editable. Okay, so for you to be able to start here, of course what you just need to do first is approve first, okay, your spending. Okay, click this button right here and click approve spending. Okay, so you can start for as low as maybe $10, $20, $50, $100, even $1,000. It doesn't matter. What happens here is that you're just going to get 10% of how much BUSD tokens that you have put it inside the platform daily. Okay, this is daily, and let's say you are already done with those. Okay, you just need to click the confirm button again. Okay, and you will be able to see here how many farmers that you have per hour. So let's say you have you want to hire more farmers. You're just going to click this part over here and then just maybe put one. Okay, one BUSD is 9.29 farmer equivalent. So let's say you have $100, so that's barely 928 farmers. Okay, so let's now try, okay, how you will be able to put BUSD here. This is very simple strategy that I'm going to do. Go into your PancakeSwap section. So this is free, okay, again, and then go to the trade and then go for the exchange. Okay, after you've gone into the exchange, look for BUSD here. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, and then convert your BUSD into you convert rather your any tokens into BUSD. So let's say I'm going to convert 0.1 BNB. Okay, so let's just swap it right away. Okay, I'm just going to confirm the swap. I think there is no liquidity for BNB BNB to BUSD. So what I'm going to do first is convert it into USDT. Okay, you convert it. Okay, you're just going to finish this. Okay, after you've done that, what you just need to do is go now into USDT and then search for BUSD. Okay, so this is the basic stuff that that I'm going to teach you. So you can't really convert BUSD right away. What you just need to do is convert first your BNB or any tokens that you have into USDT, and then from USDT you convert it into BUSD. So let's just click the confirm button right here, and then let's just finish this one. So this is entirely done, and you will have BUSD. So you can see here I already have 41 BUSD. So let's say I'm going to stake every single stuff that I have here. Let's say I'm going to start with 0.1 BNB, which is more like $40. So let's just click this hire farmers here. Okay, you're just going to pay small gas fee, and then after you've done that, guys, you will see how many farmers that you have here, and how many farmers, okay, how many BUSD that you can farm every hour. Okay, but assuming that it is giving us more than 10% daily return, it means that if you've put it $40, you'll be able to get $4 exactly at this time when you put it this. Okay, so you see here I got this one, and this is the VUSD equivalent that you have. So You can collect it anytime soon, but I recommend that you collect it when it is a lot more bigger. Okay, when it is a lot more bigger. So this is the yield farming instructions again. Okay, approve the BUSD spend, hire farmers, mint the BUSD. You can compound it if you want, or you can also withdraw it, and that's just how easy it is for you to be able to do it. Okay, so this is a yield farming. Okay, again, always invest what you can afford to lose, and also do your own research as well. Okay, so a lot of my followers right now are saying something about this, and I'm also curious. That is why I am creating a video for you guys. And also, if you have any questions, just click this part over here and then open the Telegram desktop, and you can ask whatever the questions that you have into your mind inside this official group. So this is entirely free, fresh, and you see here that you can get 10% daily and also 10% from the referrals as well. Okay, so this is an 100% automated DeFi. It is relatively safe as well, and this has been paying I think people since September 29. So this is relatively new. You'll be able to see it directly here into the analytics rather, and go to the BNB balance, and you can see that this started last September 28, and now the transactions or the balance inside here is more than $930,000. Okay, so that's pretty big, and also that is something that you can't ignore. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. I will be also putting the links into the description box below so that you'll be able to join here. Also, again, did a script to Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys, and see you on the next video.